How to download Discord voice messages. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So as you can see right now, we're currently in Discord, and let's say I want to download this voice message that I have just sent over here. So to be able to do this, we're first going to open our inspect. So we're going to type or hold Control Shift plus I, which is going or should open our inspect element on our browser over here. So if it's not available or if the shortcut is not appearing for you, you could also look for the developer tools over here, which will show you this section over here on your page. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Control F, and you're simply going to search here voice dash message dot ogg. Click on enter, and you should be able to see here a highlighted text. So you're simply going to then double click this, and we're going to copy the URL, Control C it, open it in another tab, and simply enter this, and you should automatically be able to download the voice message, as you can see. So you can now simply open this and be able to play the voice message that was sent to you in Discord. So that's a bit slow for me,
Hello guys, testing.
as you can see. So it's very straightforward, very easy. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.